this is Elmo. Today we're going to learn about colors.
Colors!
Flashcards!
Flashcards!
Yay! And
Yay!
this is white colors and 2 white pigeons. Okay, and this is brown and this is 3 brown birds.
I
Ooh.
tell you why you need the S. Because there is many.
Yes, and this is red colors and red cherries, my favorite.
So why
And
you say the S?
because 2. Okay, and this is green colors and
Green pear.
green pear. Okay, and this is yellow colors. And let's flip behind and see what it is.
Brown.
What's that?
Orange.
Oh, sorry, it's orange colors, and this is 3 pumpkins. Okay, and this is gray color, and what's it behind? What is this? I can't see. Oh, it's the two gray elephants. Okay, and this is pink. And what is behind?
I think it's dark pink.
I don't know. It's fuchsia pink. I think it's a flamingo. Yes. And this is blue colors. And what is behind? 2 blue butterflies. And this is black colors. And what is behind? Oh, I can't see it. Oh, 2 black bears. Oh, 3 black bears. 4. I'm sorry. It's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You are right. 4 black bears. And this is purple color. What is behind? Oh, purple grapes. Oh.
Many.
Yeah, 1 bunch of grapes. And this is yellow colors. And what is behind?
Yellow banana.
Yellow banana. That's all for now. Bye.
Did you say